Siguro na ang videoan siya. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. What color is this? Red. What's the shape? Square. This one, what color? What's the shape? Circle. Very good. What color is this? What color? Blue. What shape? Oval. What color is this? Orange. What shape? Rectangle. This one, what color? Green. And what shape is this? Triangle. This one, what color? What shape is this? Diamond. Very good. What color is this? And what shape is this? Star. What color is this? And what shape is this? Very good. What color is this? Gray. What shape is this? It's a cone. This one is color gold. And what shape is this? What shape? Hot. Very good. Good job. You studied the